Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Tune Beam earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect these earbuds with two different devices at same time. So I will connect them with Android device and with iPhone. So let's start. So first of all, I will connect these earbuds with my Android device. I will bring down this quick panel and here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it like this and then it will open the Bluetooth settings. So first of all, I will turn on the Bluetooth and then I have to insert these earbuds back into the charging case. So I will insert them one by one. So here is the left earbud and here is the right earbud. Then what you have to do, you have to turn off the Bluetooth and then close the charging case. And then you have to turn on the Bluetooth again and then open the charging case. Once you open the charging case, after a few seconds, you will see this JBL Tune Beam notification about the connection. So you can select this connect option. You can also see this JBL Tune Beam here on your available devices as well. So now it is get connected. You can skip this Google option. Here you can see JBL Tune Beam is now connected with my Android device and ready to use. Now let's talk about the iPhone. Now I will show you how to make a second connection with iPhone. So just bring down this quick panel and here is the Bluetooth icon. Just press and hold it like this and then again press and hold it like that. And then you have to select the Bluetooth settings. So now what you have to do, first of all, you have to take out these earbuds and then you have to wear them in your ear. So I will just wear these earbuds in my ear. So this is the left one and here is the right earbud. So after putting the right earbud in your ear, you have to tap on it 2 times and on the second tap, you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So for example, if I tap it like this, 1, 2, and on the second tap, you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So now I will wear it and I will also show you on my iPhone. So here you can see I will tap it. So 1, 2. So on the second tap, I will press and hold it for 5 seconds and then you will see it will show you JBL Tune Beam on your iPhone as well. So here you can see it is now showing JBL Tune Beam available in your iPhone as well. So you can just select this option for JBL Tune Beam and then it will start making a connection. So here you can see JBL Tune Beam is now connected with my iPhone. So you can go out from the Bixby on your Android device. So here you can see it is also connected with my Android device as well. And here is my iPhone, so it is also connected with my iPhone as well. So this is how you can connect your JBL Tune Beam with both devices. Now if you want to play a music on your Android, you can also use it, and then you can also play the music from your iPhone as well, and then you can listen it through your JBL Tune Beam earbuds. If you want to check it through the JBL headphones app, you can also check it. For example, I will go out of the Bluetooth settings. I will open the JBL headphones app. So here you can see JBL Tune Beam is now connected with the Android device with all the features and functionalities. So guys, this is how you can make a successful connection for JBL Tune Beam with two different devices at same time. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.